This is the 788 titanium premium motorhome from Chausson. It costs 73,000 euros. It is 719 centimeters long if on a Ford, and it is 716 if on a Fiat. It comes with a rather large table which can be taken out like that, and here we have two burners. We've got a sink and storage under there, and here we have a queen bed at the back. We've got wardrobes either side, storage lockers at the back. In here there's the toilet, and on the other side we've got the shower. There's the fridge. Television goes up there, and here is the another bit of storage. Bed comes down using a key electronically. You can see electronics, how much water you got, how much gas you got. No, so you can't say how much gas you got, but you can say how much water you've got and how much power's in the electricity. And the batteries. Light switch. Show you the garage as well. Now here, this is the queen bed. That there gives you an idea of what that looks like, and the queen bed will go up and down, so you can go higher, get more space in the garage, or you can have it lower if you find it difficult to get into bed. 7-year water ingress guarantee. Tiny door here to reveal the gas cupboard. That's your exhaust for your boiler. Water intake, more storage, and that is this video, this van in under 3 minutes. And so that is the Chausson titanium premium, and longer videos, if I have one, will be linked below. I'm trying to do it like this to show you as much as possible because of restrictions. Thanks for watching.